A perfect wedding, a dream honeymoon, or that bucket list trip around the world, these moments should be unforgettable, not financially stressful. That's where a personal loan from a service like Younited can step in. Younited offers unsecured personal loans, which means you don't need to put up collateral like your house or car. This flexibility makes them ideal for big life events like a wedding or an epic vacation. Their loans generally range from €1,000 up to €50,000, with repayment terms that can go from 6 to 84 months. This wide range helps you find a monthly payment that fits your budget. What's the process? It's designed to be fast and completely digital. You can apply online, often receiving an initial offer within minutes. You'll need to provide documents like a valid ID and bank information for verification. Younited then performs a strict check, including reviewing your credit history, to ensure the loan is responsible and affordable for you. Once approved, the funds are typically transferred to your account within 7 to 14 days after electronically signing your contract. Before you commit, remember that a loan is a binding commitment that must be repaid. Use their online tools to check your repayment capacity and see exactly what your fixed monthly payments will be. Ultimately, a Younited personal loan offers a straightforward, quick way to secure the funds you need to create your most cherished memories without draining your savings. Ready to start planning? Head to their platform to simulate your loan today.